so easy, you're gonna love it. All you need is acrylic paint and water. I get distilled water, so it's extra pure. And if you want to see a video on my favorite paints, check out this corner up here. So all you're gonna do is flip open your paint, pour some in your cup. And I keep my water in one of these bottles so it's easier to squirt out. You're going to start with a little bit and then add until you get the right consistency. So I have my craft stick here and I'm just going to mix. Getting the right consistency depends on what you want to do. Check out my video on the end screen about how to get the right consistency of paint. And there you go. Beautiful and fluid. And you're ready to paint. I put together my top tips for mixing paint, and I hope that's helpful for you, so check that out in the description box below as well. Take care, God bless, and I will see you in the next video.